Hi butterflies and future butterflies, it's Coach Cicely, and I just wanted to tell you I'm returning from the grocery store, and I don't know how it is where you guys are, but a lot of things around here have closed down or adjusted hours, and a lot of people, they're working from home now, and a lot of the grocery stores, people are buying up food and paper supplies and different things. And I just wanted to tell you, especially if you are used to working and you're having to work from home, be careful the groceries that you get. So a lot of times we might want to go to the fridge and grab sweet stuff and packaged meats and processed foods and stuff loaded with salt and sugar. And for the moment that might be good, but you'll pay for it later with like pains in your leg and arthritis, especially if you're used to moving and now you're becoming less movable and more stationary. So I suggest you stock up on things like water and fruits and vegetables and lean meats like fish and chicken and stuff like that. And stay away from the canned stuff and processed stuff. I know it's easier to, pop a packaged thing in a microwave or to open a can of tuna or something, but just be careful with the salt content and all that. And really, if you got a crock pot and you got kids at home, that's probably one of the best advice I could give you is to take this as an opportunity to learn crock pot cooking. You can cook a pot of pinto beans in 3 hours. You can cook chicken in less than probably 2 hours. Fresh chicken, fresh fish. And you can Google any like crock pot items, and that was one of my favorite kitchen appliances was the crock pot. And what was that other one I had? It was a rotisserie. Like, if you like rotisserie chicken, just watch how much stock you put on it. And so really this could be an opportunity to learn new things and new ways of doing things and just have fun with it. And may the universe show you something beautiful today.